Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, so today we'll be doing a plan with me for November. So this month's theme is just black and more serif font. So we have the cover page, the calendar, and then also week 1. So now let's take out the spread, and then I'll start with the cover page, the calendar, and then week 1's layout. So first I'm just going to use some black pens. Everything's already sketched out. So I'm going to grab some Tombow, so I'm going to this black brush pen in N15 and also a S-Gel Sharpie to write in November. So first I'm going to use a thin point to write in the ones and then using the brush tip to color in the number. So now using the Sharpie S-Gel, I'll be writing in the November in a serif font type. I'm kind of bad at writing serif fonts, so don't mind my ugly writing. So I'm just going to write in November, and then we'll go into the calendar spread. So now we're on to our calendar section. So I'm going to use the same Tombow brush pen to trace in the 11 and then using the brush tip to color in the number. And then using the pigment liner in 0.3 and a ruler, I draw in these lines and then writing in the notes since the serif font one. So after writing in the notes, we'll be doing the calendar. So using the Uniball DX Signo in 0.38, I'll just write in the weekdays and then the month, the dates for November. Using these Ecoline brush pen in gray to color in, to highlight the weekdays, Monday and Sunday. So now we're gonna go on to the week 1 spread. So using the same Tombow brush pen, using the tip point to color, to draw the outline, and also do the weekdays, so 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is a work planner, so I only do Monday to Friday. So using the tip pen, I'm just tracing over the sketched out pencil line work, and then using the brush tip to color in the 11, and then using the 0.3 pigment line, using the pigment liner in 0.3 and a ruler to drawing in these lines, and then also writing in the notes in the serif font. Using the same pen, I'll be drawing in the circles, so there's 8 circles per date. Also using the Uniball Signo DX pen, I'll be drawing in the little stars, circles, and plus signs. So I'll be grabbing these black dot stickers and just putting it near the number 11 just for some decoration, because it seemed kind of empty with just the black and white spread, but I didn't want this to be a simple month this month, so it's just gonna be black and white spreads. Also adding some of the black dot stickers in the back, so you can see it's at the lower right hand corner. So I decided to add more little stars and plus signs and circles around the page to add some more little detail and decoration to the page. So now that the spread is done, I'll be putting it back into my mini HP bullet journal, and then I'll show you guys how the spreads look inside the planner. So here you can see me placing it back, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. So here's the finished flip through of the spreads. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next week. Bye.